I'm the team leader for Prosperity Partners team, which is basically kind of a coaching support system for anybody who wants to get into network and affiliate marketing. I can help people do things, but more importantly, I have resources to people that I really learn from. I really believe in using a mentor, a coach, whatever you need to kind of get where you want to go. In network marketing, my mentor is Gloria McDonald. She's amazing. For my video editing and stuff, which I know nothing about, I use Pictory. Pictory is amazing in terms of just being able to put things together and create without my voice, create with my voice, create with my videos, create with my videos. Just amazing. But I discovered something fairly recent, trying to get my YouTube thing going. I discovered a guy named Matt Parr. He promotes faceless videos where you don't have to do this. Anyway, I think he's great, and he's offering a free program, which I've taken the free class. It's amazing. Learn lots of stuff, with lots of notes and lots of screenshots. Anyway, I think you'll like him. Check him out. Thanks.